Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. You guys might remember this little benchmark knife that I did a video on. And I've been using it on my not Fatwood Fridays, my Fired Up Fridays. I've been using this little blade. And I thought, and here's the box. It's just, so, benchmark. It slips right back in the box. I got a little leather cord on there. And so I thought, well, since I was buying one at free shipping, let's buy two and give one away. So let's jump right to the drawing, which I shot at home, and we'll see who the winner is. Alrighty, time for the drawing. So here's the knife. It's brand new, still in box. In fact, this is the first time I've even opened the package. Because when I bought this, I bought two. So here's the empty box that mine came in, which I've been using. Let's go ahead and do a commenter giveaway and see who it's going to be. Now I've got everyone's name in here, so I'm going to try to send it out to you out of across the pond. Oh, Denali down south. I will link his channel down below. Congratulations, brother. I'll get that off to you right away. Sweet. Alright, congratulations, Denali down south. Also shout out for his channel. I'm going to zip this little knife off to you. I think I have your address, because I think I sent you a sticker previously. So I'm going to be, because you commented on the video, I'm going to be sending you this knife. And I'm also going to include a little lanyard as well. Just because, and I've also ordered new stickers. They're on the way. So as soon as the stickers get here, I'm going to run this over to the post office and get it in the mail and get it off to you. And there's actually several people who I owe stickers to, and I'm going to be sending those off to them as well and get all my stickers caught up. Allie Carroll gets one. Donna from Dream Creations and Adventures get one. Michael Berner's getting one. And if I forgot who else is getting one, my apologies. I never claimed I was smart. Of course, camera's on, you brain fart everything. It's just what happens. So, congratulations again, brother. So yeah, I think I already sent you stickers, but if I didn't, I'll throw a couple more in there just because I can and get that knife off to you. All right, so congratulations, and don't forget to comment, guys. That's key to winning anything. I'm actually thinking about something else down the road now, so I don't have it yet, but I'm working on it. So yeah,